Emperors and Empresses, welcome back to my channel. It's Cherish the Empress here, and this is the night edition. So this is going to be after dark, and this is just a good cuddle up on the couch in your cozy pajama type of vibe. But I'm highlighting one of what I would consider top 5 local artisans, and just gonna highlight her business and let you know a little bit more about her so that you can do your own due diligence and research her and hopefully be inspired to support her business and purchase from her. This concept kind of just popped in my brain on last night, and I kept thinking about it all today, and I was like, I need to go ahead and do it. But I'm trying to have a playlist in my channel that's called Local Artisan Limelight, and I think I went with that because it's just the authenticity of being local artisans and just the concept of fresh, natural, raw living foods like a lime. That is one of her favorite fruits of all times, and rightfully so, because lime is alkaline, it's good for your body, it's way better than lemon in most cases, especially when you infuse your water. So the Local Artisan Limelight that I want to highlight this evening tonight is Divine Love. And if you need a moment, just hit the pause button, go and grab you a glass of wine, change into your PJs, get comfortable, whatever you need to do. Just take a moment, hit pause, and go do that. And if you're good to go, we're just gonna move right along. You keep on rolling. So this is the packaging, how it comes. She has her own little stamp, Divine Love. You know I'm gonna link all the information down in the description box, from her website and everything. I don't want to give too much away because her story is really amazing and incredible on how she got on her health journey. We both have health journeys, and so I love that. Totally different reasons, probably more than likely, but still, at the end of the day, we have this common thread of just being well, mind, body, spirit, and also using electric foods, living foods to accomplish that. Now, don't get me wrong, I have my days, but I definitely crave healthy foods, and my desire is more so towards that. So that's why I follow mostly an 80-20 rule with my wellness and how I intake my drinks and my food. So I give myself a little wiggle room because I am not perfect. So I am perfectly imperfect, and I'm okay with that. But I definitely wanted to highlight her and share just the goodness, because she has been really good to me as far as just sending me love boxes, Graze boxes, gifting me, and then I've just been able to basically just kind of sew back into her in any way that I can help support her at this time in her life. I think she needs it more than ever. I definitely can't go into all the details, but you will want to find her on all of her social media and all of that, and you will be inspired. You will definitely be inspired. So I just want to let you know that I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer after I unbox so you can see kind of everything about her packaging. It's very simplistic, but it's just the touch of love that she puts on everything, and really her mission is to love and serve mankind through food. And I think that that's great because so often that's how we bond, that's how we fellowship, that's how we come together over breaking bread, and that's just a fact. We break bread and we fellowship often. However, it is very great when you can fellowship and break bread in a super healthy way. It's still fun, it's flavorful, and you can do different things with it. You're gonna learn, if you haven't already, that there is beauty in eating well and eating whole. Like, you're gonna have a different type of mindset, a different type of longevity, just a different type of in your body and in your spirit. Like, you always feel better. This is the little cutlery. Again, I'm gonna let you get in a little bit closer, and then we'll come right back to this. All right, as I mentioned earlier, I said I would bring you in really close and personal to the products so you can just kind of see. This is just her products and how she packages them when, you know, she's servicing her clients. She just puts little special touches on everything, from the little jellies, the crackers, the way she ties them off. She truly makes an art. She includes something from earth, and everything is cruelty free. No animals are harmed, and it's just a charm that she has. This is the cutlery. She wraps it up in a beautiful napkin, and just sweet little hints and notes of love in everything that she does. I mean, she's given me lavender, fresh lavender in my packages, and I can't get enough of it. But this is what it looks like. It's the Divine Love Graze box. You can find all of this on the website. You know I'm going to link it below, but she puts so much care in these items, okay? So much care. I just wanted you all to see, just to see for yourself. Everything is seasonal, so it's not gonna always be the same. There's gonna be a different personal touch to everything. She's so personable, and these are the teas that I chose: the jasmine hibiscus and the lavender lemonade. And last time I got, I think it was the rose lemonade. Delicious, divine. So I've not tried these, so I'm excited that I'll be trying them for the first time with you all. All right. Okay, so last week I got the rose lemonade. So good. This week I wanted to try the other two. She's always formulating new drinks, so I'm excited. And because we are royalty here and we are bourgeoisie here, and we're okay with that, we have a little wine glass, so we're gonna sample these, and I'm gonna tell you what I think in just a moment. So like I said, make sure if you want to get something on deck, you go grab that. Just can't get over just the little touches of love that she puts in every order. She puts a lot of thought and heart. My jams and jellies to go with my crackers, my breads. I'm so excited about that. And then the Graze box. She has revamped and redeveloped this, and it is incredible. So yes. You guys, this is like, again, one of my favorite local artisans. I definitely want you to go to their website and just tell me what you think. And then last but not least, here is her business card. It's Divine Love. And then her information is here on the back. I will definitely, again, do my due diligence and do my very best to put everything in the description box, but you won't be sorry. And if you are out of town, out of state, you know, I don't know all the ins and outs. I did hear that she is trying to work on a concept to be able to ship certain things out, especially her juices. And then she has other products like mosquito spray, all kinds of natural things that she utilizes and she sells. So it's not even just food. There's so many different other things. That's why you have to go to her website. You have to go and see what she has going on. I'm gonna take a bite. You all. And the cheeses that she provides dairy-free, delicious. Look, I mean, look how beautiful. I mean, she finds exotic fruits and brings it to life. It's so good. So, so delicious. So, so divine. I've been working out so hard lately too. And this has been perfect to refuel me. It's been amazing. But all my favorite things, I mean, these exotic grapes, like stuff that I've never seen, she's always putting something fun and exciting in the grape box. I didn't even mind my manners and put my napkin in my lap first because I'm so excited. But she always uses the best napkins. They're so cute. They're always different, a different sweet touch. Her cutlery is always the best. So good, so nutritious. Definitely tell me what you think. Let me know if you're going to support her brand. And even come back and let me know what you got, or what what you ordered and what you thought about it. Like, come back and comment and let me know. So this is the jasmine hibiscus. Oh my goodness. It smells amazing. Like, you can tell she took her time to prep this. Okay, so if you have a glass with me, let's toast. Cheers. Just cheers to being amazing. Cheers to being supportive of other artisans. Food is an art. Everything that we create is art, but just right now we're in this scope of food, and it's an art. And she really is an artist when it comes to food. Like, she's amazing. I love it. I love it. Okay, this is good. It's very fruity. It's very fulfilling. Very satisfying. And this is very, very flavorful. And she boils this down, and oh, she has done an amazing job. Like, she, of course, shake this because these are perishable. And I will say, make sure when you get these that you know kind of what your appetite is, or what your, how much you're gonna graze, or if you're gonna share it, because you don't want this to go to waste. Fruit doesn't last no more than about 2 or 3 days. So just make sure that you know that you're gonna eat it all and enjoy it, or share it with someone, because it's a good portion, but you just don't want it to go to waste because it's such good quality and such great preparation. So yeah, this is the lavender lemonade. So I mean, I'm chilling and kind of calming down from my day-to-day anyway, so I'm probably gonna enjoy more of this once I'm done here. Perfect. Perfect. Like, you taste the flavor so good. Like, the notes of lavender, you're gonna catch it instantly on your palate. Oh my goodness. You guys, you definitely need to check her out, okay? So I'm going to get off here. I just wanted to highlight my LAL, my very first LAL video for local Artisan Limelight, and that is Divine Love. And again, her website can be found at divinelove.life, and I will link everything that I can in the description box. Thank you so much for joining me and hanging out and just kind of chit-chatting, curling up on the couch, and just having a relaxing evening with me. We work so hard, whether it's a 9 to 5, whether it's creating, whatever it is that we do, even if you are a homemaker, it's all very important, much needed work. And so I just wanted to share this with you because I feel like we deserve to treat ourselves with things like this, and this is her passion and she loves to do this. So don't hesitate. Make sure you check her out. And until next time, peace, abundance, blessings. Bye.